Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and today we're going to talk about how a teen can use a backpack with a USB charging port. This video will take you through the best way to use the charging port on your backpack, so make sure you stick around for the best guide. If you are a teen, a backpack with a USB charging port comes in handy if you're going out of the house for a long time, maybe at school or hanging out with friends. So how do you use it? Here is a step-by-step guide. Plug the port into a power source. Check the compartments and pockets inside the backpack for a connector to the battery or power bank. Some backpacks come with a power bank or a battery, while most don't. If yours lacks one, you will have to buy it separately. Connect the charging port inside the backpack to the power source and secure it in one of the compartments. Connect your charger to the external USB port. Plug the compatible end of your charging cable into the USB port outside the backpack. The USB plug can be Type A, B, or C, each compatible with specific ports. Confirm if the charging port for your device is compatible with the type of USB plug on the backpack before purchasing. Charge your device. Since you have already set up the charger, connect your charging port that is now hanging from your backpack to your device and let it charge. You can use the device as it charges or put it inside one of the bag's side pockets. Recharging the power supply. You need to recharge the power bank or battery inside the backpack for continued activity. Some backpacks have a cable that connects to the power bank, which you can plug into the socket and charge without disconnecting the plugs inside the bag. Others require you to disconnect the power supply, remove it from the bag, and charge it before plugging it back into your backpack. Backpacks with USB charging ports are very delicate, especially when in use. Though most of them are made with polyester, which makes them durable, be cautious not to expose them to extreme heat or wet conditions, as this could damage the electrical wiring and the power supply. So there you have it. Backpacks with USB charging cables are convenient and easy to use, especially by teens who use electronic devices in their education. Do you have any comments or questions? Make sure you drop them below and like this video. Till next time.